I want to talk about a situation that I routinely encounter on a yearly basis in my practice, where records have been supplied to either the Department of Health or the Department of Education before counsel is retained. Your office staff, if you're a provider and you're watching this, your office staff and you should be aware that the letters that begin investigations for the Office of Professional Medical Conduct and the Office of Professional Discipline come on similar letterhead to what a traditional records request would look like. But what should get your attention and what you should be aware of and what you as a provider should train your staff to be aware of is that if a letter comes from either the Department of Health or the Department of Education and says something to the effect of, "Dear provider, pursuant to authority granted, in this case the Office of Professional Medical Conduct, under Section 230.10 of the New York State Public Health Law, I hereby request certified copies of complete medical records of XYZ patient for all practices and all providers at your office." If you receive any such correspondence or your staff receives that correspondence, the first thing you should do is you should recognize that this is different than a traditional records request. This is from a licensing entity that has jurisdiction over your medical license, or your, in the case of the Office of Professional Discipline, over your dental license, your podiatric license, your chiropractic license, your nursing license, and a number of other licenses that the Office of Professional Discipline oversees. If you receive any correspondence requesting a record from either the Department of Health, in the case of OPMC, or the Department of Education, in the case of OPD, you should recognize that that's not a traditional records request. This is a licensing investigation that's been opened against your professional license, and you should seek counsel.